Hey guys, Elizabeth here with catalystcac, and this is the Chaos to Clarity project, where we are trying to help as many residential construction offices as we possibly can to transform your financial operations from chaos to clarity, one workflow at a time. If you are struggling with your accounting software and it is complicated and you're confused, don't worry, you're not alone. I get you. In this video, we're going to go behind the scenes of the accounting software, and I'm going to use QuickBooks Online as an example. And I'm going to show you how I see how accounting software is organized. Hopefully, it will make sense to you, and it will bring some clarity to those transactions that you're trying to record so that you can put them in your book successfully. All right, so I want to take a few minutes and dive in behind the scenes and show you how I see accounting software working. And so that hopefully it will give you a fresh perspective in how your accounting software takes your information and organizes it and then uses it to give you useful information to help you be more profitable in your business. All right, so accounting software is basically broken down and built on two foundational things. You have lists and we have forms. So the lists are made up of information that we organize and put into the accounting software, and they include the chart of accounts, and these accounts are determined on what we want to track and how we want to track it, whether for tax purposes or managerial purposes. But we will organize this chart of accounts with our income and expenses and our assets and our liabilities, and we will put it up into the accounting software. Then we have a second list, and this is our cost codes, and we will use this to help us manage our projects. Then there's other lists of information that we need to put into our accounting software as well, and that includes our vendor information and our customer information, and then also like our banking and distribution account information. So we organize these lists and we put them up into our accounting software. Then our accounting software gives us the option of different forms to choose from to use based on what happened in real life. So if we brought money in, we would choose an income form like the invoice or the sales receipt. If we spent money and money went out of our business, then we would choose a money out form like the bill form or the expense form. But we choose the form, and our accounting software tells us to put the information from the lists onto these forms. And based on what form we choose and what information we put on that form, our accounting software will use those forms, and it will compile all of those forms all together and all the information that's on it, and it will put all of that information into reports. And this is how we get our profit and loss and our balance sheet and our estimate versus actual, and other reports that are of extreme value for us to know how our business is doing. So we organize our information into lists, and we put the lists up into our accounting software. Then, based on what happened in real life, we choose the appropriate form from our accounting software. Then we put the information that our accounting software requests on the forms. And then, based on the form that we've chosen and what we've put in it, our accounting software compiles all of that information and pushes it into consolidated reports. Then we will take those reports and we will look at them and we will analyze them. And we will come up with ratios and KPIs to track so that we can determine how well we think our business is doing. We set our goals, and then we look at those reports to compare how we are doing against those goals. So then we have the information in the lists, we put it on the forms. Our accounting software takes all the forms and compiles them together and gives us these super valuable reports. We take those reports and we analyze those reports. From that analysis, we will make hopefully smart business decisions, right? This is my light bulb. Ta-da, we're making wise business decisions. And from those wise business decisions, our business will hopefully go forward and be more profitable and help us to achieve whatever end goal or vision it is that we have for our business. So I hope this is really helpful for you. It helps me a ton as I'm thinking about recording transactions and what form I should choose to record the transaction and how I can reflect in the accounting software what actually happened in real life. So if you want to learn more and go further with this, we do have an online community that we've started and that we are launching September 10th. I've got the link down below the video so you can look for it. It's not here on the screen, but it is a school.com community. That's SKOOL.com. And you'll want to go to that website and search for us, the Chaos to Clarity Project, and just click the link to join the group and answer the questions. We'd love to have you, and we'd love to help your business go from chaos